Changing the air filter on a 2007 Honda Accord V6. Pretty straightforward. There's air filters in here. Bolt, or is a not a gas. It's got a Phillips, but using a hex head will be much easier because you strip out the Phillips. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You need an extender like this. Loose. Last one's right there. Lift off. You have to pull back this way. This compresses. Just check to make sure it's clean in there. It's clean. Old filter. New one. That's funny. It's got a chunk in there already. Make sure it sits flush. Okay, line it up. Screw them back in. Don't over tighten them because you'll crack the housing. That's it.